Let's explore the mesh data type in greater detail. To help me with this, I'll make a teapot primitive off to the side. Then I'll attach it to this editable mesh. Notice that the color changed. That happened because the teapot is no longer an independent object. Now it's part of this plane 1 object, which is green. There are 5 different sub-object levels. Let's work our way through them. The element level gives you the greatest level of control. You can select collections of sub-objects and transform them. The plane is a single element. The polygon level allows you to select individual polys and transform them. The plane is both a single poly and a single element. The face level allows you to transform triangular faces, which are the fundamental unit of surfaces within mesh objects. Edge level allows you to transform individual edges. Note that you can scale edges and rotate them too. There's actually another edge here somewhere in the middle that I can select. It shows up as a dashed edge because it's invisible. It's the boundary between the two faces that we selected earlier. The Surface Properties rollout allows you to make the invisible edge visible. If you do that, it has an effect on the polygon level. Now, the whole polygon doesn't encompass the entire surface. It's divided by the visible edge. So you see, that gets to the heart of what a polygon is. It's a surface enclosed by visible edges. Let's go back and make this edge invisible again. Then I should be able to select this entire surface as a polygon. The vertex level offers you the finest control, where you can move the individual vertices. Now, it looks like we have a planar surface, more or less, from here, doesn't it? But if we arc rotate, at a certain point you'll see that that's not true. This is not a planar surface at all. There's an edge here. It looks like it's a flat surface from up here, though, because of smoothing. I'll go to the polygon level where we can control smoothing. The Surface Properties rollout has different information here on this level. Smoothing groups are controlled here. Right now, both of these faces share a single smoothing group. I'll clear that smoothing group, and now we can see the edge here. Now it doesn't look like it's a flat surface any longer. It's possible to flip this edge so that it goes the other way. You do that on the edge level. Click on Turn, and then click on the edge inside, and it will turn within the polygon. Now it looks like there's a valley there, whereas before it looked like a ridge. Each level offers different editing tools. The Edit Geometry rollout is where most of the tools are located. But as you move through the levels, different tools will become enabled, while others will become disabled. Sometimes buttons will change into different tools. But by and large, most of the work is done in the Edit Geometry rollout. You'll notice that the Surface Properties rollout changes depending on what level you're in. The top level offers other editing tools, as you can see by whatever buttons are enabled here in this level.